This is an intelligent cutting machine tailor-made for the film industry. High-precision cutting and DC operation.
Model AOL 21625. Working area 1600-2500 millimeters. The machine is made of integral steel structure. Weight about 1,500 kilograms. Integrated welding process. Heavy-duty platform. More stable operation. More accurate cutting. Voltage support 220 volts 380 voltios. The whole machine power 9 kilowatts. Support remote networking upgrade and diagnosis. Adopting vacuum absorption platform with 16 partitions. Automatic absorption of materials. Ready to put and cut. Suitable for different sizes and thicknesses of materials. Adopting aviation grade honeycomb aluminum tabletop. Sturdy and durable. No deformation. Imported high precision rack. Make cutting thick hard materials more powerful. To ensure that the cutout of the higher precision. The software supports DXF, PDF, and other graphic formats. Easy to operate. Automatic nesting software. Fast nesting. Nesting can be achieved to maximize material utilization. The cutter is equipped with a multifunctional cutting and nesting system. From the shape of the cut piece to the nesting of the material on the system. Materials include electronic films, PC films, proton exchange membranes,
PET films,
PI films, EVA adhesive films, and PDLC films. These materials are used across various industries. They are characterized by their thinness and the requirement for high precision, often involving the cutting of intricate
tiny patterns for use in precision components, and are processed using cutting tools.
The oscillating knife cuts most types of film materials and
is suitable for varying materials.
The drag knife is used for cutting harder film materials, producing smooth edges. The floating kiss cutting tool offers precise depth control, allowing the finished product to be easily peeled off without damaging the backing paper.
Cutting finished products with high precision, small error, cutting edge smooth, to meet a variety of shaped pattern cutting.
We offer fast delivery, 3-year warranty,
remote assistance, video training, and other services to help you. Choose AOL CNC to be your best cutting partner. Feel free to contact for customized solutions.